In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or modify items in a Temu order. To get started, open the Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your purchase history and order details. This is important because any changes to an order have to be made from inside the account that placed it. After you're signed in, go to your account area. In the app, tap the U section. On the website, click your profile icon. From there, select your orders. This will bring up a list of your recent purchases. Find the specific order you want to modify and open it so you can review the details. Before trying to change anything, take a moment to check the current status of the order. This part matters because Temu only allows changes while the order is still being processed. If the order has not been packed yet, you may still have options to replace or cancel eligible items. But if the order already shows packed, shipped, or in transit, the order can no longer be modified. So if you don't see editing options, the order status is usually the reason. If your order is still eligible, you can try replacing an item. Open the order and select the item you want to change. If the feature is available, tap Submit to replace. Temu may ask you to choose a replacement item that matches the same price, depending on the item and the order conditions. Once you've chosen the replacement, tap Confirm to save the change. It's a good idea to double check the replacement before confirming, just to make sure you've selected the correct item. If you decide you don't want the item at all, you can cancel it instead, as long as the cancellation option is still available. Open the same order, choose the cancellation option, and then select the item or items you want to cancel. After that, confirm your request to complete the cancellation. For canceled items that qualify, refunds are usually handled based on Temu's refund policy. So if you're expecting money back, you may want to review the refund details in your account after submitting the request. And that's how to change or modify items in a Temu order. Just remember, the key factor is acting before the order gets packed or shipped. If you found this helpful, you can follow these same steps anytime you need to review or adjust an order.